About to take a ride on the Milwaukee streetcar. We parked our bikes down there and we're on Water and what street is this? Earrings by Angela. St. Paul.
This is St. Paul and Water Street.
St. Paul and Water Street. So we still out here. The streetcar. The streetcar is actually new to Milwaukee. I mean, they had them back in the day when everybody else had them way back in the day in the 19th century. But now we have a streetcar that has just come. Last November it opened up and it only goes through downtown. It doesn't go that far. I think maybe 2 miles or so, but it is free until November. Our casino here, which is Potawatomi Bingo Hotel and Casino, they are, I guess, supposedly putting up the funds for it to be free from November of 2018 until November of 2019, and neither one of us have rode it yet, so we're gonna go ahead and get our ride on and try it out because we only got about how many months we got? Maybe like 5 more months or 4 more months, and it's not going to be free anymore. And then I don't know if I'll be getting on it. If it ain't free, I don't know if I'm gonna be getting on it because hey, I could just pull up and park or pull up in my moped. But you never know, if they expand it, I'll probably ride it. But here it comes, you guys. It's coming. It takes you around downtown. Right now we're outside the public market here in Milwaukee, and let me stop this camera because it's actually coming. I don't even know how you get on it. I don't know where it's gonna stop at. I've rode behind it on the side of it, but this will be my first time actually getting on, and we're gonna see what it's like getting on the Hop. It's called the Milwaukee Hop. So we're walking on. Oh, it's beeping. Wonder what does that mean? I guess the doors are closing. And Earrings by Angela's just gonna leave me. We're supposed to be experiencing this together, but there's lots of space here. Well, I guess this is for a wheelchair and the handicap, so it's lots of space here for someone that's using a wheelchair. And then there are seats up there. See, it's not really that many stops here, but it does kind of take you from one side of downtown to the other side of downtown. And like I said, the free rides are presented by Potawatomi Hotel and Casino. So how was it getting on, Earrings by Angela?
It's groovy.
So we're going for our little ride on the streetcar. She just went and got a seat and didn't even think about she had somebody with her. Okay, so we went one stop and it's the end of the route already. Angela don't know what she's doing. I thought we was getting on the right way, so now we're about to go.
I'm just here for the
stops now.
Please watch your where do I look at? I'm looking out
this way. I don't even know what to look at. Okay, yeah, so we on here. We're about to go to the other side of downtown. It's pretty empty on here. It's 2 for like 6 people on here. Pretty nice. It's clean, but again, it's still very new. It's not like you're in New York and nobody doing no flips and dancing and drumming and all that type of stuff. We want to be here for the entertainment. We want to see if it's a real experience when you're up on it. Call some of your cousins.
No comment. Dang, I just see the
come down and start doing some entertainment so when people come in town to Milwaukee, they can show them that it's lit out here in these streets. Okay, so we just rode the streetcar all the way to the end. I want to say we've probably only been riding like about 10 minutes or less. But 5 to 10 minutes and it's over. We've rode it from one end all the way to the other end. We'll let her finish talking so I can talk. So the driver is about to switch sides and go to the other side of the vehicle. He's running down that way to get to the other end. What do you think about the ride?
I like it, but I wish Johnny would stop complaining because I'm enjoying it.
But if you were trying to utilize it, is it any use to really utilize it?
Yes.
She's lying. People like me that don't.
Wait, how does Negro gonna tell me I'm lying?
Because if you don't live down here, it's really no purpose. And if you live down here, it's almost kind of no purpose. I can see getting from one end to the other end. But Uber will get you there a lot faster. It's free right now.
But I just learned about a lot of different. What am I looking at? I just learned about a lot of different places that I didn't see before. So I liked it. It was nice. And so like I just found this Indian restaurant. I was like, oh really? And then okay, it sells CBD oil. And I just like to watch and people watch.
Oh, this is the final trip now, I think. So we're gonna ride it back around to where we got on it. But yeah, it goes very slow. Some of the stops was like maybe a block away from each other. It's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I showed them. It's like 10 stops that it does. Yeah, and it doesn't go to like any parking lot. But you can hang
your bike on the inside. I like that. Oh.
10
but
minutes.
With a regular bus, you have to put your bike on the outside.
10 minutes, you can ride your bike to where the stage is the best.
I can't. I ain't for the front. 10 minutes, I'm still trying to straddle the damn bike.
Wow. Okay, so we finally did it. Yeah, I don't know. I was trying to see if there's any days that I would ever ride this, but I guess not. No.
Well, see, I work downtown on Saturdays, so I get on and be like, oh, I'm gonna go. Oh, okay, where we going?
You're gonna go where? You gonna get on and go where?
Out by our house.
Oh, what bars did we pass that's open? Once you get out from where you work in on Saturday.
I get off at 2. So.
I'm calling her car, but we just rode past what bars is open.
There's none open right now.
No, they will be open on those days.
Can
we can do a car ride by, so I can show y'all. It's no bars on the route really. It's a gas station and Jet's Pizza. So,
is that what that is? You've ever had that?
No, I don't like pizza like that.
You
so,
just ate pizza.
But I don't like pizza and I don't eat it that much like that. So you guys, really wasn't much other options there. So this is the streetcar, you guys. Yeah. I guess if you're in town and you want to ride it, check it out. You can do it just to see a little bit of downtown. But
it takes you by Jazz in the park though, so that you don't have to find parking.
But where would you park in order not to get parking? That's what I'm trying to figure out, because a lot of the places over here you can only park like 1 and 2 hours anyway, and the east side there's no parking. So
but I'm saying like, okay, so where we put our bikes at, free parking after 6. So you take the streetcar.
Parks. There's very few parks over there. People are fighting for parks over there already. So you're gonna waste your time driving your car all the way over there, and you're not gonna be able to get a park over there.
This is historic Third Ward eastbound. Please watch your step while boarding or exiting the streetcar. Please allow seniors and persons with disabilities to use designated seating.
Water, you guys. The streetcar, how did you like the streetcar, so after all? Any other words on the streetcar, ma'am? It put us to sleep. It put us to sleep. It went so slow. It brought our vibes down. Even she can admit that.
I gotta blow my nose.
She just told me off camera, it put her to sleep too. It was not that exciting, not that fun. It really don't go that many places. I mean, yeah. Told you guys how many stops it had. So we're gonna get on these bikes and get to moving.